Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize your Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically you have many ways on how you can organize your Slack working space. So basically in your Slack channel, you already have one type of organization. So you would be having like channels that are channels, like a group only for channels, and you will have like a group for direct messages. And now let's suppose that you want like to have some specific channels to be grouped in some way. So simply you can just right click on your channel, and from here you will find manage. So basically here you can edit all sections. So from here you will be able like to specify some channels, and then you can move them to some kind of section, or you can simply create a new section. So from here let's just name it as work. This section would be named as work. Now I have some channels that are only dedicated for work, and basically those channels would be just some arbitrary, etc. And now you can also start creating a new section. For example, you can name it friends or entertainment or whatever, like something to have fun with that has only or with friends, etc. Now I'm just going to click on this work, and I'm just going to click on manage, and basically you can rename it, and you can also start giving it some emoji. And let's just name it work, and it will be something whatever you'd like, something like that. And now it has like meaningful, and it's visible that this is your work space. And for example, this can be something funny or whatever. Like let's just edit this specific section. Let's manage and rename here, and we make it whatever we want. And I'm just going to click on save. And basically by that you can do it like for as many sections that you would like, and you can also manage your channels however you'd like, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.